Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. With the new year just around the corner, I know a lot of you are looking for that perfect, show-stopping dessert to celebrate with someone special. Well, look no further, because today we're making something that's incredibly elegant, unbelievably delicious, and surprisingly easy. Decadent chocolate-covered strawberries with a scoop of bubbly champagne sorbet. Trust me, this is the perfect way to ring in 2026 with a touch of romance and a whole lot of flavor. It's light, it's refreshing, and it feels so luxurious. So, if you're ready to impress your date or just treat yourself to something amazing this New Year's Eve, let's get started. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. It's a super short list, which is one of the reasons I love this recipe for a special occasion. You'll need about a dozen beautiful fresh strawberries. Try to find ones that are ripe, red, and have lovely green tops. We'll also need 4 ounces of good quality dark chocolate. Using a chocolate you love to eat on its own is key here, as its flavor will really shine. To help the chocolate melt into a smooth, glossy coating, we'll use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And for the star of the show, a pint of champagne sorbet. You can absolutely use your favorite store-bought brand to make things extra simple. Or if you're feeling adventurous, you can make your own. Finally, grab a few sprigs of fresh mint for a gorgeous pop of color and a hint of freshness at the end. That's it. Just a handful of ingredients for a truly 5-star dessert experience. All right, let's start by prepping our strawberries. You want to give them a gentle rinse under cool water and then pat them completely dry with a paper towel. This step is super important. If there's any water left on the strawberries, the chocolate won't stick properly, and we definitely don't want that. So, take your time and make sure they are bone dry. Once they're clean and dry, line a baking sheet or a large plate with parchment paper. This will be our landing zone for the chocolate-covered strawberries and will prevent them from sticking, making cleanup a breeze. Just set that aside for now, and let's move on to the best part, melting the chocolate. Now for the chocolate. Grab a microwave-safe bowl and add your 4 ounces of dark chocolate and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. The coconut oil not only helps the chocolate melt smoothly, but also gives it a beautiful shine and a satisfying snap once it hardens. We're going to melt this in the microwave in short bursts to avoid burning it. Place the bowl in the microwave and heat it for 30 seconds. Take it out and give it a good stir. You'll notice it's starting to melt, but is still lumpy. That's perfectly fine. Put it back in for another 30 seconds and stir again. Repeat this process, stirring every 30 seconds until the chocolate is completely melted, smooth, and glossy. It should look like liquid velvet. Be patient here. Slow and steady wins the race and prevents you from ending up with seized, grainy chocolate. Okay, our chocolate is perfectly melted and smells incredible. It's time to dip the strawberries. This part is so fun and satisfying. Hold a strawberry by its green stem and leaves, and dip it into the melted chocolate. I like to swirl it around a bit to make sure it's nicely coated about 3/4 of the way up, leaving a little bit of red showing at the top. It just looks so pretty that way. As you lift the strawberry out, let any excess chocolate drip back into the bowl. Then, gently place the chocolate-dipped strawberry onto the parchment paper you prepared earlier. Repeat this process with all of your strawberries, arranging them on the parchment paper so they aren't touching each other. Now comes the hardest part, waiting for the chocolate to set. You can leave them at room temperature for about an hour, or if you're in a hurry to taste them, pop the baking sheet in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes until the chocolate is firm to the touch. Our chocolate-covered strawberries are set and looking absolutely gorgeous. It's time to assemble our dessert and get ready for that New Year's toast. This is where the magic really comes together. Grab your fanciest dessert bowls or even some champagne coupes for an extra touch of elegance. Take a scoop of your champagne sorbet and place it in the center of the bowl. The light, bubbly flavor of the sorbet is the perfect contrast to the rich, dark chocolate. Now, arrange 2 or 3 of your beautiful chocolate-covered strawberries around the sorbet. To finish it off, add a sprig of fresh mint right on top. The green adds a beautiful pop of color, and the fresh aroma is just divine. And there you have it, a stunning, romantic, and decadent dessert that's perfect for ringing in the new year. It looks like it came straight from a high-end restaurant, but you made it right in your own kitchen. I hope you and your special someone absolutely love this. It's the perfect sweet ending to a holiday meal and a wonderful way to celebrate new beginnings. Happy New Year, everyone.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video.